Hey there, welcome to Slay Art Refinishings. In today's video, we'll be refinishing this dresser, so stay tuned for an amazing transformation. I got this dresser from Facebook Marketplace for free. It's all butchered up, scratches everywhere. It's all wood, pretty solid. It's got some interesting circular legs on it. I might take those off, put some new legs on it. Not exactly sure yet. The drawers don't open up at the best. Ugh, musty. Without further ado, let's get started and sand this piece down. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed. Again, welcome to Slay Art Refinishings. My name is Garrett. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a new project video, so make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming videos here in the future. I have a ton of projects to do. I'm doing this one today, and then I also have this dresser that I had to finish up. I've had this one for probably a month and a half now. I've gotten a little bit stuck along the way because I like to bring these pieces back to life and make them, you know, the best that they can be. So sometimes the vision changes along the way and it takes a little bit longer, but we're always looking for a high quality output and to put our best foot forward, and that's exactly what we're gonna do with this piece and every other piece that I work on. So without further ado, let's get this dresser sanded down. Also, I just want to say it is absolutely freezing out here, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today's date is March 18th, 2023, and it is snowing here in Michigan. It's absolutely crazy. I started out sanding the entire dresser with 80 grit because of all the unknown layers of paint, and obviously you can tell this dresser has been through a lot of years with use and abuse. So I started with the 80 grit and worked my way up to 180 and then finishing it off in a 220 grit. After the whole dresser was completed with the sanding, I took the dresser and the dresser drawers downstairs to be cleaned and stained. I went to Home Depot and picked up this classic black wood stain. My vision had changed quite a few times throughout the project. Originally, I was going to do just a solid black top. Then I had the idea of letting the stain dry completely, and then a couple days later, I took the dresser outside on a nice spring day and started sanding the top. And because all of the wood grain in the wood was uneven, I was able to take some of that black stained wood off of the top of the dresser, which gave me the idea to stain the sanded part of the wood on top of the dresser a dark brown, so then it would create a black and brown top. Second coat. Let me know what you guys think about the dresser so far. If you're not quite sure what to think, stay tuned for the end. I promise it's a pretty cool transformation. So back when I was applying the black stain to the top of the dresser, you might have noticed that I was using a sponge brush. And if you have used stain before, you can use a sponge brush, but I think most people will use an old rag or a lint-free cloth. This was my first time using stain, this type of stain anyways, so that's why I was using a brush, and then I actually decided to read the directions, crazy or not. So then I started applying the remaining of the dresser and the dresser drawers with a old lint-free rag. If you're not familiar with the stains, what I'm doing here is I'm wiping the stain on with one rag and then letting it sit for a minute or two and then wiping it off with another rag. I can't, bro.
Bro, come on.
Why are you backing up?
Because I want to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because I'm trying to get the full body in it, bro.
Oh, alright.
It's just your top half. Is that okay?
Alright, let me know when to go. Video clip. What?
You're gonna have to restart.
Okay. In this video clip, I'm working on the handles for the dresser. I have all of them sanded down. I took off all of the shiny paint and I scuffed up the surface of all the knobs here. And what I'm gonna do next is clean all the knobs off with this Method Daily Wood Cleaner that I got from Kroger.
I did one of them. Garrett? I did one of them.
Yes, you did. So I'm just gonna clean them off. I'm Carly. I'm Sam.
And this is Carly. Well, I guess I will take it over from here.
After I have all the knobs clean, I'm gonna take my Cocoa Pebbles cereal box here and take a screwdriver and poke some holes. Okay, I poked some holes. I put all of the knobs through the cardboard here, and now that I cleaned them, got them all set up, I'm gonna take my black spray paint here. Just got this from Walmart, some basic flat black spray paint, and we're gonna get to spraying here. Or both.
Let her rip there, Chip.
Do one coat to start. I'm gonna take them inside, let them dry, and then we'll be back out for round 2.
Round 2 coat paint.
It's good though.
we might need a round 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
We ended up using 3 coats of black spray paint, and while we let the paint dry, we're gonna go inside and cut the dimensions out for the dresser liners. I got this really cool bear up north kind of design from Etsy. I did pay quite a bit of money. It was almost $80 for 2 of these rolls, but it was completely worth it because at the end, these liners honestly made the dresser and it looked so sweet. But anyways, I cut out 14 inches in length for the dresser liners and took a right angle square and drew out my line and then cut out all the liners. Now the liners were a little bit short on each side, probably about a ½ inch on each side. It's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, after we finished installing the liners, the next day is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to everyone. Now it's time to install, take some pictures, and show you what this dresser looks like. Please comment down below what you think about the dresser. If you have any suggestions or comments, please again drop them down below. I really value everyone watching my videos and the constructive criticism that I receive on these videos. Thank you so very much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you are a new subscriber, join me every Sunday at 7 p.m. for a new project. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back and spending some time with me today. Thanks again. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.